What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. As you see here, we're getting ready to do an oil change on my 2019 Street Glide CVO, and we're going to be using the Let's Roll lift and the cruiser here. We got best oil you could find. What I've noticed was, and they told me from the company, you could do this oil change every 10,000 miles. 10,000 miles, guys. I couldn't believe it when they said that. I actually spoke to the actual owner and everything. He's like, do an oil change and it will last you 10,000 miles. Usually people change it every 2,500 or 5,000, but this one, you could go with 10,000 miles. We got the Let's Roll cruiser here. It's gonna be lifted up. So video coming out pretty soon, guys. So stay tuned, stay tuned.